So today's heading, biot savert law. Biot savert law. இந்த law என்ன சொல்லுது அப்படின்னாக்கா, imagine a wire like this. Assume I is amount of current passing through the wire. We know very well around the wire there is a magnetic field. The current is straight, na field is circular. Around there is a magnetic field. Choose some point P here. Choose some point P here, which is R meter away. Which is R meter away. And choose the length dl. Because of the current carrying wire, what is the magnetic field at point P? This is a question. Because of current carrying wire, what is the magnetic field at point P? It is a question. Is it clear? The magnetic field at point P depends on 4 factors. dB is a magnetic field at point P. It depends on 4 factors. Number 1, dB depends on I. More current, more magnetic field. Number 2, dB depends on dl. More length, more magnetic field. dB depends on sin theta. If theta is 90, more magnetic field. And dB depends on 1 by r square. When r is more, field is less. So join all the 4. Join all the 4. நீங்களே பாருங்க, இந்த point P ல there is a magnetic field due to current carrying wire. So that magnetic field depends on 4 factors. More the current, more magnetic field. More length, more magnetic field. If angle is 90 degree, this angle theta, this angle is 90 degree, more magnetic field. And distance is less, more magnetic field. Join all the 4. We get dB depends on I dl sin theta by r square. Is it clear? So join all the 4. dB depends on I dl sin theta by r square. So dB is equal to constant k. எப்பவுமே இந்த proportionality constant இருக்கும்போது constant k போடுவாங்க. Constant k into I dl sin theta by r square. The value of k is mu naught by 4 pi. Here we introduce a new concept called mu naught. What is mu naught? It is called permeability of free space. Permeability of free space. Its value 4 pi 10 power of minus 7 Tesla meter by ampere. So substitute the value here. dB is equal to what? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. This equation is called what? Biot savert law. If you want to write in vector form, dB vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl vector cross r cap by r square. Okay. Similarly, r cap is equal to what? R vector by r. Substitute this value in the above equation. We are getting dB vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl vector cross r vector by r cube. So both this formula and this formula are vector form of biot savert law. So application of biot savert law. In our textbook we have only one application. Application of biot savert law. என்ன law அப்படினாக்கா, magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop along its axis da பார்க்க போறோம். Yeah. First I explain the logic, then I go derivation. First logic பாருங்க. Imagine circular loop. Imagine a circular loop which carries a current. Choose the point O. O is midpoint. P is any point on the axis. ஸோ இங்க கரண்ட் போகுது இல்லையா சர்க்கிள்ல, இந்த கரண்ட்னால வாட் இஸ் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட் அட் பாயிண்ட் பி, அதான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஒரு சர்க்குலர் லூப் இருக்கு, சர்க்குலர் லூப்ல கரண்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் கரண்ட் வாட் இஸ் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட் அட் பாயிண்ட் பி, தட் இஸ் அ கொஸ்டின். லெட் அஸ் இமேஜின் பாயிண்ட் சி ஹியர் அண்ட் கரண்ட் இஸ் கமிங் டுவர்ட்ஸ் யூ. ஸோ எப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம், நான் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க. Hope all of you able to see me. இங்க பாருங்க, இதான் ஃபோன் சர்க்கிள் அசிம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இப்போ இப்படி பாக்குறீங்க, இந்த வியூல தான் நம்ம அந்த லூப் பார்க்க போறோம். we are seeing the loop in this direction. So the current is coming towards you. Topmost point is C, bottommost point is C dash. So topmost pointல current உங்களை பார்த்து வருது, அப்படி அசிம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். current is coming towards you. சரியா? or diagram wise பார்த்தீங்கன்னா current is coming this direction, current is coming towards me. இப்போ topmost pointல நல்லா கவனிங்க, இதான் லூப். topmost pointல current என்ன பார்த்து வருது, கீழே உங்களை பார்த்து போகுது. So it is circle loop. So topmost point current is coming towards me, bottommost current is towards you. இப்போ டாப்ல பாருங்க, topmost point current is coming towards me, அப்ப into போடுறேன். current is coming towards me. If current is straight, magnetic field circular. If current is straight, magnetic field circular இல்லையா? அப்ப இங்க straight currentனால இங்க magnetic field எப்படி இருக்கும், சர்க்கிள்ல இருக்கும். ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா? அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சர்க்கிள் பாயிண்ட் பி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி போகுது. ஸோ நான் ப்ளூல போட்டிருக்கிறதுல மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டு டியூ டு கரண்ட் அட் சி. Now see the point P. At point P, it is direction of magnetic field. You agree? நல்லா கவனிங்க, இந்த ப்ரௌன்ல போட்டிருக்க சர்க்குலர் லூப் கேரிங் கரண்ட். Throughout the loop, current is moving. I am assuming topmost point. At topmost point, current is towards me. If current is straight, field is circular. அப்ப topmost pointல அந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல current straight தான் வரும். Imagine it is circular loop. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இது current direction, இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இது current direction, இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இது current direction, இந்த பாயிண்ட் இது current direction. அப்ப topmost point current straight போதா? If current is straight, field is circular. So circular field is coming like this. அந்த circular field point P test பண்ணும்போது what is direction of magnetic field? It is along PM. Any doubt, please ask me. Similarly, we can assume the same loop, same current carrying loop. See the bottommost point, C dash. Here current is going into the computer. The current இங்க வெளில வருது, வெளில போகுது. Okay. So again at point P, what is the direction of magnetic field due to the current at C dash? C dash current is going inward, இப்படி. So what is magnetic field? Field is circular. Field is circular. நல்லா கவனிங்க, C dash என்ற பாயிண்ட்ல imagine circular loop. At this point, it is direction of current. At this point, it is direction of current. So because of C dash, சுத்தி என்ன இருக்கும், magnetic field இருக்கும். அதுல one of the magnetic field touching the point P. So at point P, what is direction of magnetic field along this direction? Pn. இது புரியுதா? So again, we are assuming a current loop. In the current loop, I is amount of current flowing. We assume bottommost point. At bottommost point, direction of current is inward. So the magnetic field is circular. Okay. So circular magnetic field is like this. Again, at point P, direction of magnetic field is along Pn. இது புரியுதா பாருங்க. Now we come back to the derivation. So we assume a circular loop carrying current I. O is a midpoint. P is any point on the axis. X is the distance between O and P. Capital R is the radius of the circular loop. C is topmost point, C dash bottommost point. Distance between C and P is small r. Because of current at C, the direction of magnetic field is along Pm. Similarly, because of current at C dash, the magnetic field is along Pn. So what is PM? It is a magnetic field at point P due to current at C. What is PN? Magnetic field at point P due to current at C dash. This angle is alpha. This angle also alpha. I resolve dB into two components. I'm going to resolve dB into two components. By mathematics, it is alpha. It is also alpha. Therefore, what is this? dB cos alpha. And what is this? dB sin alpha. Similarly, resolve this component like this. This angle is alpha by mathematics. Then what is this? dB cos alpha. And what is this? dB sin alpha. Logic purida. So dB resolve pandrom. So in the angle alpha adjacent side is cos alpha. It is dB cos alpha. And it is dB sin alpha. அதே மாதிரி இந்த பக்கமும் dB ரிசால்வ் பண்றோம். இந்த ஆங்கிள் ஆல்பான்றதுனால இது dB cos alpha, இது dB sin alpha. Now this dB cos alpha, this dB cos alpha are equal opposite. So they cancel each other. What is only existing component? dB sin alpha and dB sin alpha. So in this diagram, totally how many dB sin alpha is there? Only 2 dB sin alpha is there. Yeah, now I am taking only 2 points. I am taking point C and point C dash. Because I am taking 2 points, I am getting 2 dB sin alpha. If I take 4 points, 4 dB sin alpha. If I take 8 points, 8 dB sin alpha. If I take all the points, then integration of dB sin alpha. Is it clear? If I take all the points as a full circle, then what is full circumference? 2 pi r. So if I take full 2 pi r, then எவ்வளவு dB sin alpha இருக்கும்? Integration rate இருக்கும். இது equation number 1. இதில் dB என்னது? இப்பதான் படிச்சோம். As per biot savert law, it is mu naught by 4 pi into I dl sin theta by r square. It is biot savert law. இங்க what is theta? Theta is an angle between current and r cap. Current direction, IL and r cap. So in the angle, they are asking this angle is 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree. So in that current க்கும் இந்த line r க்கும் உள்ள angle 90 degree. நான் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க. So imagine my phone. என் phoneல top most இருக்கிறது C current போகுது. என் பேனா தான் R. So in the angle. So we are not talking about this angle. The angle between these two is 90 degree. Correct? This angle in the line க்கும் இந்த பேனாக்குள்ள angle 90 degree. Clear? Similarly, if you take this triangle, from this triangle, what is sin alpha? From triangle OCP, what is sin alpha? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sin alpha is equal to capital R by small r. So இதான் இப்போ entire derivation of skeleton. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? இந்த theta value we are going to substitute here. Find dB. And the dB substitute here. And sin r கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க இல்லையா? இந்த sin r value substitute here. Then integrate. You get the answer. That's it. So we start derivation. So what is B? B is equal to integration of 0 to 2 pi r dB sin alpha. Equation number 1. According to biot savert law, what is dB? dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I dl sin theta by r square. Theta is equal to 90 degree. It is equation 2, it is equation 3. Substitute 3 into. Substitute 3 into what we are getting? dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin 90 by r square. What is sin 90 value? Sin 90 is 1. So dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl into 1 by r square. Therefore dB is equal to what? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. Equation number 4. இது அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். Now we take the triangle. We take the triangle OCP. இப்பதான் பார்த்தோம். What is sin alpha? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sin alpha is equal to capital R by small r. Equation number 5. What இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? இங்க dB இருக்கு இல்லையா? இந்த dB க்கு பதிலா I am going to substitute equation 4. Sin alpha க்கு பதிலா I am going to substitute equation 5. So substitute 4 and 5 in 1. So B is equal to integration of 0 to 2 pi r mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square into capital R by small r. So B is equal to mu naught I r constant by 4 pi. இங்க ஒரு r square இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு r இருக்கு. டோட்டல் என்ன ஆகும்? r cube ஆயிடும். So I take r cube outside. Integration of 0 to 2 pi r. Variable is dl. What is integration of dl? Integration of dl is L. So mu naught I r by 4 pi r cube. It become L. 0 to 2 pi r. So B is equal to mu naught I r by 4 pi r cube. Upper limit is 2 pi r, lower limit is 0. So B is equal to mu naught I r by 4 pi r cube into 2 pi r. Now we cancel the terms. So you can cancel pi ku pi adichidalaam. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the remaining equation becomes like this. R R naidum. In the R R square aidum. So I am getting B is equal to mu naught I r square by 2 pi r cube, 2r cube. It is for n turns. If the coil has n turns, then formula becomes B is equal to mu naught ni r square by 2r cube. Equation number 6. From this triangle OCP, it is x, it is r, it is small r. Can you apply Pythagoras theorem here? What is Pythagoras theorem? CP square.
Sir, R equal to sir, R equal to root of x square, r square plus x square, sir.
Or r square equal to r square,
plus x square plus x square.
Therefore, r is equal to square root of r square plus x square. Correct? Very good.
Yes, sir.
இப்போ r cube ன்றத shall I write r square into r எழுதலாமா?
எழுதலாம், sir.
r square வந்து r square plus x square. It becomes root of r square plus x square.
Yes, sir.
So r cube.
So இது வந்து equal to r square plus x square the whole power 3/2, sir.
Correct. So I am going to substitute 7th equation in 6th equation. Substitute 7 in 6. We are getting B is equal to mu naught ni r square by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 3/2. Equation number 9. 8. Equation number 8. So we have two cases. Actual formula B is equal to mu naught ni r square by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 3/2. It is the last equation. Now the special case. It is a circular loop. it is point O, it is X, it is point P. If point P coincides at O, then what is value of X? 0. இந்த பாயிண்ட் P அப்படியே கிட்ட வந்து O ல வந்துருச்சுன்னா X equal to 0. Now substitute this condition in the above equation. B is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into R square plus 0 square whole power 3 by 2. B is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into R square power 3 by 2. 2 cancel idom. So we are getting B is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 R cube idom. So if R cube and R இதை cancel பண்றோம், R square cancel பண்ணாக்க we are getting B is equal to what? Mu naught Ni by 2R. So it is a special case. Any circular coil carrying current at midpoint, it is a magnetic field.